Of the day.
Yeah, I think it's social media businesses, right?
Yes, that's right.
To name
So we
them
just
right
come
now.
to the topic. Correct. Okay, let me ask a question different from this. Whom do you idolize in your life?
Hmm. Maybe my mom because she's very hardworking and really punctual, and she has very good time management. I really like that because I have no
Mhm.
time management in my life. Parents won't allow it.
That's true. Okay, where did you get the accent from?
I
Is
don't
it
know.
so?
I tried to learn it. I started learning in 2020, and yeah, I have learned it from YouTube and some books, and that's it.
So you yourself are a YouTuber also? Oh no.
Yeah. Good
I I
afternoon.
I thought. Okay. So yes, I am Vishal and I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I would like a brief introduction about yourself.
Okay, so I'm Arundhati Roktima. I'm from the state of Chhattisgarh. I live in the city of Bhilai, and right now I am in school. I study in 8th grade.
Eighth grade. I wish I was so as smart as you in eighth grade. Okay. So yes, Arundhati, how many sessions have you taken with Clapingo?
I have taken a lot of sessions. I think this is I think 80th or 81. I don't know, something somewhere around that. And I have been with Clapingo since August 2021.
2021. Okay, that's 1.5 years.
Yeah.
That's nice. Okay. So you're studying in grade 8, right?
Yes.
And
Yeah.
so what hobbies do you pursue apart from your studies?
I love to read and I love to paint, and sometimes I sing as well.
Okay. So you sing, who is your favorite singer in that case?
I don't really listen to Hindi music. I'm quite fond of English pop music, and I have multiple favorites.
Sorry? What did you
I
just
have
say in the
many people who are my favorites, and I think I really love to listen to Harry Styles sometimes, and Taylor Swift, and something like that.
Nice. Okay. Nice enough. Okay. So do you read books also apart from your the study books?
Yeah, a lot. I love to read.
Okay. So that which book have you read recently?
I was reading this book. I do not know the author. I forgot her name. It is the book's The Secret Seven.
Okay. And what is it about?
It is just about seven children who have this sort of secret group, like a detective group, something like that. And they
Okay.
just go on adventures. They just have many. What should we say? Like they solve cases as detectives, and
Mm-hmm.
it's a book series of 15 books. And right now, I have just read one of them.
Okay. So it's a 15 book series. Have you
Yeah.
read Harry Potter series?
Yes, I have.
The whole seven books?
Yes. Yes.
Nice. It's good that you have read. Apart from that, what have you read? Name any book.
So I have this collection of Ruskin Bond books. It's just a compilation sort of book. It is called
Compilation.
The
Yeah.
Best of Ruskin Bond, and it has many short stories of Ruskin Bond. So that is what I have read.
Nice. Okay. Have you read this book called Atomic Habits?
My friends have read it and they suggest that I should also read it. But I read the first page, but I'm not quite fond of it.
Oh, you didn't like it?
Yeah,
Okay. So you are basically more into the fiction world rather
yeah,
than self-help.
yeah,
Nice. That's nice. It says that it's your 86th session.
yeah.
Fine. Okay. So have you gone through the topic of the day?
Yeah, I think it's social media businesses, right?
Yes, that's right. Okay. So we just come to the topic. Okay. So do you know anything about Instagram and Facebook businesses?
Yeah, I have seen a lot of advertisements, and so I think there are two main types of businesses that I have seen. One
Mm-hmm.
is the advertisement business where you see pop-ups of many items that you can buy, and the people who sell them and everything. There are many things that we can buy from those advertisement. And the second type that I have seen is from sponsored videos. I've seen
Right.
people sponsor other companies or products, and that is one type of business. So these are a few things that I have seen.
Correct. Okay. So did you take notice of them? How did you take
Yeah,
notice of them?
yeah. So when we scroll through any social media app, you have these pop-ups of advertisement. It can be anything, maybe a course or an item or anything. So I've seen a lot of them, and I get really curious about them, and then I click on them, and then I try to read what it is. But then I just think that I can't buy it because my parents won't allow it.
That's true. Okay. Where did you get the accent from?
I
Is
don't
it
know.
so?
I tried to learn it. I started learning in 2020, and yeah, I have learned it from YouTube and some books, and that's it.
So you yourself are a YouTuber also? Oh no.
Yeah.
I I thought so when I saw the level of confidence, because I had a learner who was almost your age, right? So he was
Oh,
also YouTuber. So you upload the Clapingo sessions on YouTube.
yeah, and things related to English, maybe idioms or phrases or something like that.
So has it converted into the monetary funds, or is it
Yeah,
something?
yeah,
It's
it has.
converted. Nice. That's nice. That I would again say the same thing. I wish I was as smart as you when I was in class 8.
Thank you.
Okay. So what are the various types of products, that you've gone through on the advertisements that you're seeing in the, yeah, on the social
So
media?
the thing is that if you search for anything on Google or any search engine, for any item, for any product, then you just
Hmm.
start getting recommendations of those particular items for in those ads, in those pop-ups. So I have
Right.
seen many advertisements. I have seen advertisements for courses. I recently took a course for memory class so that you can
Okay.
improve your memory skills, and many other courses as well, like vexillology. It's a course for learning flags of different countries. And I have also seen skincare products like face wash
Yeah.
from
Heard of
Himalaya
them.
or anything like that. And things like that. I can't really think of any other thing. Maybe I've also seen furniture, like
Yeah.
sofas, couches, and everything. And what else? I've seen advertisements for books because I keep searching for new books on Google. So I think that's where it gets the recommendations from. And I think that whatever you search or whatever you talk about on your phone, and
Hmm.
then you just start getting recommendations of those things.
That's
It's
true.
sort of like a digital eavesdropping thing.
Yeah, that's true. That happens. So whatever you're searching, even that's one part of it. I have, kind of got this thing that if you're talking on a call with someone, you just say that word and it is shown in your ad
Yeah,
recommendations.
yeah.
I'm like, okay, you guys are literally, recording my calls or what? Why are you even getting it from there? But the Google mic is on, right? It is
Yeah.
always on our phones, right? So
Hmm.
that is recorded, and eventually that comes as ad recommendations. So for instance, you're talking about a Boat headphone to a friend, right? This happened with me. I was talking about a Boat headphone to a friend, right? And after 2 days, I get an ad recommendation, ad pop up that
Oh.
about this Boat headphone. And I'm like, okay, is this guy an Antaryami kind of thing or what?
Yeah, this happened with me as well. I was once talking with my friend about earphones because my earphone was not working properly, and
Right,
she told me that she was not able to hear me clearly. So we were just talking on good brands of earphones, and
correct.
after that, I just got a recommendation, the advertisement for earphones on YouTube.
Hmm. That's true. That's true. Okay. What are the most successful products, businesses you have come across?
Hmm. I think skincare products because that is the ads that I see the most. From that one is Himalaya, and one is something from a V. I do not know the name, but it's something V.
Hmm.
and many other brands and products. I've also seen these tools, the hardware tools like a screwdriver, hammer, and everything.
Yeah.
I don't know
That is
why.
also shown in your ad recommendations.
Yeah, I'm curious why that is in my ad recommendation because I don't really search for hardware products or hammers or anything. And there are many products like that, but I'm not able to name them right now.
Correct. Okay. Let me ask a question different from this. Whom do you idolize in your life?
Hmm. Maybe my mom because she's very hardworking and really punctual, and she has very good time management. I really like that because I have no
Mhm.
time management in my life.
But still, you are doing a lot of things, I can see,
Yeah,
at that age. So you might be 14, 15, something like that.
30,
13.
30.
You just almost entered your teens.
Yeah.
So how many books have you read from that shelf? Almost all?
Um. Yeah. I think the top two shelves are of my parents, and the
Uh,
bottom three are mine. So I think I've read all of them. The bottom three
bottom.
shelves.
Okay, so two are of your parents
Yeah.
and three are of your. So
Yes.
that contain this shelf contains your curriculum things also, or this is
No,
just
I have other
bottom?
shelves for my curriculum books.
Nice. Okay. Apart from that, in the real world and the business world, whom do you idolize otherwise, apart from your mom?
I can't really think of anyone because the only person that I look up to is my mother.
Well,
Um, whom do I idolize? Hmm, I
tough
don't
question.
know.
Okay.
Yeah. Like, what
And
about tell me whom do you idolize?
so I idolize Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Oh, I was also about to say that, but then I realized I
So,
don't really idolize him, so that would be lying.
no, but even I don't have traits like him, but developing traits like him will be a very big thing. So
Hmm.
we kind of live in a world where we are, we have to show off and we have to, there are people who, live for the society. Like
Yeah.
you buy a big house, you buy a very good car so that you can basically compete with the other people, right?
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
this was not the case with Dr. AJ Abdul Kalam. He used to
Hmm.
compete with others on a scale of, intelligence and knowledge. The level
Yeah.
of knowledge and humility that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam had is like stupendous. It's
Yeah.
very different, right? So
Hmm.
basically, he he died doing what he loved the most,
Yeah.
right? Basically, he was giving a speech, I think in Guwahati, IIT Guwahati,
Yeah, I think
and
Guwahati. Yeah.
that's where he got a heart attack.
Yeah.
And he was an inspiration for a generation to come.
Hmm.
And he he was given a chance to get to NASA, but he rejected that, and he basically researched for ISRO, and he worked for ISRO rather than, which
Hmm.
is a very big sacrifice and which is a very good thing for the country. Patriotism, which we can say.
Hmm.
Okay. So, what do you want to become when you grow up? Do you have something in your head?
Honest, I was thinking of becoming something related to the government jobs. Maybe I could become an administrative officer or something like that. And I also thought that I could do something with law, maybe become a lawyer or something like that.
So, do you argue well?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Your parents would be better to answer this question in that case.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. So we'll just come back to the topic. We have a little bit of time left.
yeah.
Okay. So many of these businesses offer customized products, right? So
Hmm.
would you buy something like that? Have you, gone through any kind of products like that?
Maybe I could if, let's say that it's something really aesthetic or like really pretty and like a keychain, let's say, and I could get my initials or my name on it. So that would be good. Once we bought some keychains, it was not from
Mhm.
online marketing. It was we actually went somewhere, we went to a store and then bought keychains that had our initials on it, but we just lost them after a few days.
Okay. Fine. Okay. What do you think of the prices? Are they cheaper than the bigger brands or online stores?
Some products are cheaper, but some products are really high priced. So let's say that there are something really small in size, like let's say a book, or
Mhm.
maybe something like let's say a mouse or the mouse for the computer or something like that. They are low price, but I feel like really big things like maybe a TV or a couch or something furniture that is high priced.
Yeah, that's true. So we basically go to the store and
Yeah.
get it at a lesser price. Okay,
Yep, and the thing is that when you go to the store in person, then you can even bargain for the price,
that's true. That's true.
but in
That
online
happens.
you can't.
At least in India, that happens a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So Arundhati, time for the feedback. Basically, right? I have next to nil feedback to give to you. Whatever you are doing currently, just keep on doing it, right?
Hmm.
And just keep on reading, correct?
Hmm.
Because that will, enhance your vocabulary by each passing day, right? So
Yes.
each day, if you're reading and you're getting new words, you'll be, better and confident by each passing day. So even the
Yes.
book Atomic Habits says it that even 1% improvement each day is a lot when it comes to the year end. It comes to
Yeah.
365 percentage in a
Hmm.
year, right?
Yes.
So there is just basic, small habits. Even what you told me about punctuality, what your mother follows, right?
Yeah.
That is also she must have, given a lot of time and effort to, maintain that habit,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So yes, we'll catch up on the next session if that's possible. And hope you like the session. And yeah, best
Yeah.
of
I
luck for
was
your
it
future.
was really good session.
Same here, same here. Okay, so yes, we'll catch up in the next session. And yeah, best of luck.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Most welcome.